Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Hello Art Exclusive. The picture what you can see guys, what I drew it. Let's start to watch that how I did it guys. Here I am applying blue color here to paint this sky. Here I am applying dark brown color as a border that it will look more darker. Now it's a time to do a color in a wedding area. That I do it by orange. Here I use dark brown color for looking more dark the shadow portion of this boat. Now I use black or geranium color here to paint the flag over the boat. Now guys, tell me that how is the picture. If you like it then please give one like and do subscribe to get a notification while I upload new video in this channel. Bye guys.